Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. إذا أنتوا هون جديد أهلا وسهلا فيكم. أنا سارة beautician based here in Lebanon. So for today's video رح نكون عم نعمل a little review. I'm gonna be using Juicy Beauty. يكون هالفيديو بس مخصص لل Vogue palettes actually لأنه I have 4 of them. هن they're 5 إذا I'm not wrong. yeah, I just don't have one that هي orangey colors. رح نكون عم نستعملها مع هالlook. if you want to see like how it's gonna look like, perform, all of these things, keep on watching. ورح أكيد كون عم بعطيكم my personal review of I've been using those palettes for the last. I got it maybe in December or January. I don't remember. اليوم أنا بالنهار اللي عم صور فيه نحن نص جوية. I have an idea of the products themselves. Keep on watching to see what I'm gonna do with them or what I'm gonna tell you from them. Okay, I have 4 palettes of them. الهن هيدل 770 هيدل 772 773 و 775. هول هن colors. All of them are pigmented. I'll give them that. They are all pretty much pigmented. They look nice. ما بيجبلوا. You need to obviously prep the eyes really well before you apply them. but they need build up. يعني strong colors مثل green, purple, blue, all of these colors kind of need a little bit of a build up. Yellow, it needs build up. يعني you put the product, don't fluff it out. Don't blend it out, don't fluff it out. شو ما يكون الاسم بدكم تعطيهم اياه. حطون ثبتون منيح على العين وبعدين try to not يعني blend the corners out. You know, if I wanted to create right now this look with it I applied it, I'm not gonna come and use the brush all of here لأنه رح pretty much كله هيدا رح يطير أو it's gonna disperse in a way ده ما بقى رح يبين لونه بقوة كيف هو. فمشان هيك just brush it on the corner of it. هيدا a little tip for you guys, for someone that is thinking of getting them but is scared that it's not pigmented, it doesn't really work well. It does as long as you need to have patience to build or try to like know where to blend it. yeah, I'm gonna use with this look. Every single eye رح يكون عندها a look. فرح كون عم بستعمل kind of multiple colors at the same time. هلا ماني عارفانه بحس بدي استعمل اصبعي. رح استعمل هلا الصراحه رح نشوف، رح تكون اكتشاف اكثر لانه عم بفكر اخلط كذا لون مع بعضهم. فاولا رح استعمل من هيدا 772 اللي هي pretty much all red و pink. I'm not gonna swatch them لأنه أولاً swatching is يعني it's gonna give you the color how it looks like but it's not really gonna give you how it's gonna perform on your eye. I'm just gonna take the champagne color on my ring finger. I'm just gonna apply it on the beginning of my eye. Keep in mind أنه كل عين رح يكون شكلها شي. فهيدا مع ال black و green. In another Lady Lola video is you want to see how I created this, what I think of the pencils. yeah, هيدا اللون معه كتير حلو اللي معي. I can't stop looking at it. والتاني ميل هاي رح استعمل هيدا اللي هو بيجي على yellow. هلا رح استعمل هيدا ال 773. رح استعمل هيدا اللون. I don't know, maybe these two. هلا بنشوف. yeah, رح استعمل هلا هيدا ورح حطه دغري next to the champagne. الصراحة صار بهين purple أكتر يعني. تاني ميل مقبيله رح استعمل من 775 هيدا الcolor اللي بتجي على brick orangey color. you can see how beautiful it is. And it's pigmented. It looks good. Juicy Beauty is a cruelty-free vegan brand as they claim, not on the website though, they claim it just on their social media. أصلاً عندي جرد التحقيق مع الكل الصراحة لأنه I don't like to be fooled. I want to know what I'm buying. So the fact that someone claims they're cruelty-free, don't put it on their website, but they put it on their social platforms, I don't know. I don't really trust that. I need more details of what does cruelty-free mean to them. يعني they're not cruelty-free of their suppliers. They never let anyone else test on their behalf their products on animals. كل هالشغلات. رح يكون في هيك تحقيق أكتر من الموضوع. فرجعت زدت شوي من اليلو. حسيت كتير اخذ الاورنج منه. فلحد هلا بعرف it kind of looks crazy. It doesn't really look, yeah, it doesn't look how I imagined it. بس ما خلصنا بعد. we still have a little bit of things to do. فرح ارجع اخذ ال 772 ورح اخذ الميدل شيد هي هيدا البابل بينك. I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner. عم ببينوا موف. رح اخد هيدا مسحة شوي بعدل. يا عدل شوي. كثير عم ببينوا موف يعني انا خيي بديش موف. وعن this eye رح اخد شوي من كمان الميدل كولر اللي هي ال 770 هيدي الجرين هيك it's a very bright green. فراح احطها كمان on the outer edge. رح ارجع اخذ الارتن تبع الرويال كوزماتكس اللي هي بتجي angled brush. هي it's for the eyebrows or you can create with it an eyeliner. انا رح اتركها تساعدني لا اقدر ارسم. اخذ هلا ال 775 الكولر البلو اللميع مش البلو المات اللميع. I'm gonna take it in the brush. I'm gonna coat it well. I'm gonna stamp it on. Stamp, don't rub أو شو اسمه. Stamp it on. رح اخد شوي كمان من ال purple كمان ال shiny purple مش المات. كمان رح اخلطها معه هون أطراف هيك نغمق للأزرق. وهلا رح ارجع اخد هيدا الجرين من هون من 770 وراح طبطبه على البلاك ايلاينر. رح اخد هلا هيدا اللون من هون ورح احطه مثل الترانزيشن كولر. اي عين بتحبه اكتر؟ قولوا لي اي عين. انا الصراحه ما بعرف كتير بحب with brown eyes hazel brown eyes. كتير حلو البيربل والبلو هيك it really pops the brown in them. بس بنفس الوقت الارثي colors كمان ما بعرف فيهم جمال كمان. لصراحة مفكر زيد شيء بس ما بعرف. هلا خلصت الايس فرجعت هون زدت شوي ازرق لانه ما كتير حبيت الجرين مع البيربل. يعني هو the idea is good but like not for what I was going for. فرجعت حطيت شوي ازرق. I use this color و this color من 775. هلا رح اتركهم عيوني بعد كم ساعة رح نشوف كيف صار الميك اب سوا. اوكي سو هاي جايز. فحاليا الساعة 11 إلى 10 فكثير تعبانة عن جد قادرة احكي يعني. اوكي ميك اب الايز بعدهم نفس الشي مع انه حاسة حالي عرقانة قد ما بتكون حاسة حالي عرقانة. الايز بعد ما تحركوا كبدا بالمرة مثل ما شايفين بعده they're a little bit oily but apart from that لا they're completely in place. So yeah like that's exactly what I mean when I say انه the Juicy Beauty palettes خصيصا انا تبعولت ال Vogue palette فظيع يعني عن جد يعني they didn't crease. I didn't apply an eyeshadow primer. I barely applied concealer and the light powder. استعملنا القلم وحطينا الباليت colors on top. That's it. ويعني تنقول القلم حطيته أنا on the outer corner طالما هون بعده نفس الشimmer نفس كل شيء يعني ما في شيء تغير محله. yeah I really do recommend the Vogue palette. I haven't used anything else from them. Hopefully I'm gonna use more of their products in the future خصيصا أنه we don't really have a lot of cruelty free vegan brands available. their brand will definitely be a brand that I'm gonna go for. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment down below. What do you guys think? عندكم شي من عن Juicy Beauty؟ شو هو؟ بيضاين ما بيضاين؟ شو الوضع معه؟ Apart from that, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.